I'm Clarence Bernala, the leader of this group, and these are my teammates, and we are here to explain our website features, codings, and designs. To elaborate it further, may I call one of my teammates to explain our homepage.
Hello, my name is Peter Paul, and today I'm excited to guide you through the homepage of CGPRK Motors. This webpage is designed to showcase our passion for motorcycle and provide visitors with easy access to important information. Let's take a closer look at its structure and feature. At the very top of the page, we have a fixed header that contains our navigational bar. This is crucial for elements for user experience as it allows visitors to easily navigate through the site without losing their place. On the left side, you will see our logo, CGPRK Race in Your Style. Next to the logo, we have a several navigational buttons, home button, model button, about button, and contact button. In home button, it takes user back to the homepage. In model button, open a drop-down menu ensuring links to various motorcycle models, including Super Sports, Sports, Adventure, Underbone. Next is About button. This button directs user to About page where they can learn more about our history, company's history, values, and missions. Last is Contact button. Leads to the contact page, providing a straightforward way for inquiries, support, or feedbacks. Now, let's take a closer look at the CSS styling that brings the CGPRK Motors homepage to life. We have two main CSS files, home.css and navigational bar.css. Each file plays a crucial role in defining the visual aesthetic and layout of the web page. We start with the body setting text align center. To center all text on the page, this create a clean and organized look. For our H2 headings, we center them and add margin bottom 20 px to create space below, ensuring that headings stand out without crowding the content. The font size is set to 1 rem, which is comfortable for reading. The dot image AMG class is styled with a fixed width of 1150 px, but we also max width to 100% to ensure the image can shrink on smaller screens. This makes the design responsive. The height auto properly maintain the image aspect ratio, while border radius 10 px gives it modern round corners. The dot brand section use flexbox with displayplex and flex direction column to stack the brand card vertically. We add gap 40 px to create space between each card, enhancing visual appeal and readability. Each dot brand card is also a flex container. We align it in a center with align item center and add gap 20 px between the image and the text, making the card visually balanced. Cursor pointer properly indicate that these cards are interactive, inviting user to click on them. For the image inside the brand, we set max width for 100 px to ensure they don't overwhelm the text. Maintain a consistent size across all brand cards. We use the child event sector to reverse the layout of even numbered brand cards. This creates a nice alternating visual effect, keeping the design dynamic and interesting. The H3 heading within the brand card are styled with a larger font size of 1.5 rem and a margin bottom for space in making them stand out. The paragraphs have a standard font size and a line height 1.5, which improve readability and ensure that the text is easy to biggest. Biggest. The dot content section is designed to flexible. We use display flex and flex wrap to allow the brand card to wrap on new lines if needed. The justify content select center properly center the card and gap 20 px at the space between them, ensuring a clean layout. Next is the navigational bar.css. Within navigational bar.css, we start with a general reset using margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. This ensures that all elements have no default margin or padding, giving us a clean slate to work with. In the HTML and body style, we set the font to Arial to modern look and give background a dark color. The text color is set to Alice blue, creating a nice contrast that enhances readability. We also set the height to 100% to fill the viewport. For our headings, we use a sans serif font called Play Pair Display. For a classic touch, all headings are colored Alice blue and we add margin bottom 1 rem for spacing below each heading. We set the body to use flex box with display flex and flex direction column. This is this also used to slack the header main content and footer vertically. The header is fixed at the top of the page with position fixed. It has a black background and a padding for spacing. The C index 1000 ensure it stay above over content when scrolling, providing a consistent navigational experience. The navigational bar is styled with display flex to arrange the logo and navigational links in a row. We use justify contents space between to space them evenly across the header. Each navigational link has a padding 15 px 20 px for comfortable clicking area, and we set text declaration to none to remove the default underline. For interactivity, we add a hover effect of the navigational link. When a user hover over a link, we change the background color to a lighter shade or of gray, and text color to provide visual feedback that enhances user experience. The footer is styled similarly to header with black background and centered text. We add padding to 20 px for spacing and ensure the text is a contrast color for readability. To ensure the site is responsive, we include media inquiries that adjust the layout for smaller screen. For example, we change the flex direction of the navigational bar to column on screen smaller than 768 px, locking the logo and link vertically for better accessibility.
Next is our About Us page. In our About Us page, you'll see the information about our website where it can make appeal in customers. When you scroll down, you'll see the qualities of our website and our store to ensure customers that their motorcycles are new and satisfactory. To explain yung coding sa About Us, ang general layout ng aming coding dito ay naka-center siya. So, the body is centered para mapakita sa gitna ng page namin. Tapos naman ang flex box ay nagamit para i-display yung content ng horizontal with even spacing. Irarap niya din ang element to the next line if necessary. Tapos, ang mga images naman within the content row ay nakaseto ang maximum width of 30%. Kung saan, nagme-maintain ito ng kanilang ratio at having rounded corners. Ang text naman sa content row div ay naka-align or they are within each column of the row. Nasa loob sila ng row. Tapos, is aligned to the left and styled with white text. White yung color ng font namin. Tapos, ang paragraphs naman ay nakaset sa readable size of a 1 rem with a line height of 1.5 for clarity. So, ang container or yung mga nagko-contain ng ay in-style din namin. We did it with a maximum width is na nakasets to 1000 px at ni-center din namin to. It is centered horizontally with padding around the content. So, sa heading naman tayo, naman yung heading namin in H1 at H2. They are bold, uppercase, and white para sa emphasis. At ang subheadings naman ay H4 na styled with normal font weight, and white color. Bakit nga ba white color pala gamit namin? Kasi black yung background at white ay needed para makita yung font namin. Tapos, sa link styles ay, ang links naman ay white with no underlines and space with slightly from each other. Space sila na nag-giveaway sila ng konti man lang. Tapos, on hover, links ay nag-change ng color to dark gray. Ito, white to dark gray para mag-provide ng interactivity. Siyempre, pag inano nung user yung cursor niya sa pangalan namin, mag-shade ng dark gray. From white to dark gray. Tapos, gumamit din kami ng card component styling, which cards are black with rounded corners. Pinad namin to for inner space and a margin to separate them. And a subtle shadow to give depth. So, sa effect naman ng card hover, when hovered over, ang card ay slightly scales up or expand 1.05 times its original size for an interactive effect. Kunyari, pag inano mo yung cursor mo sa aming isang card or box na nakakapalob din yung qualities ng aming shop, makita mo na parang nag-expand yung box sa bigger size. To summarize this code, it creates a flexible and responsive with images, text, and cards.
Hello, my name is Tiago Tobilla and this is our model. In our model, we have the 4 different type of bikes: super sport big bike, sport big bike, adventure big bike, and underground. In our model pages,
you'll see a lot of our motorcycles and you'll see the information about our motorcycles. When you click the learn more, you are going to see the different type of parts and sizes. This code creates responsive interactive card layout. The container holds multiple cards, each with example, hover effects, card moves of the slightly and cast shadows, image grow and brighten, button with hover color changes. The smooth transition for better user experience. The text and buttons are styled and stand out, with clear contrast, layout, and flexible the center, ensuring it works well across various screens and sizes. This uses code style responsive and card layout, with the hover effects to make it visually appealing and user-friendly. Number 1. Container. Purpose. Arrange the cards to the grid and layout. Key features. Cards move to the next row if the space is limited. Even, evenly spaced with padding for alignment. 2. Card. Purpose. Dependent style on individual cards. Key features. White background with rounded corners. Flex back layout for neat alignment. Smooth hover effect to lift the card slightly. 3. Image. Purpose. Styles images within the card. Key features. Full width with rounded corners. Zoom and brightness increase on hover. 4. Buttons. Purpose adds clickable buttons for interaction. Key features. Default lock button with the white text. Hover effect switches to white buttons with black text. 5. Headings. Purposes. Style titles and subtitles. Key feature. Clear, readable font with a professional look. Summary. This uses creates attractive cards that are easy to interact with and adapt to any screen sizes, offering a clean and modern design.
Good day, my name is Romar Paner and I'm going to discuss the contact page for our website. In the right side of our contact page, makikita natin dito yung contact information like full name, email address, our office location, base kung nasaan kayo like from Luzon, the Visayas, and Mindanao. At the bottom of it, makikita natin yung message which is pwede nyong lagyan kung anong ini-inquire nyo sa amin. In the left side naman, makikita naman natin yung mga pages namin that you can follow or like or even subscribe para mas updated kayo sa amin like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. The main functions of this contact page ay para malaman namin kung ano yung mga need nyo sa motor like pwede nyo tanungin yung price or yung availability of the motorcycle. Yung tema ng aming website is just a minimalist para mas suitable at para mas easy to operate dahil hindi lahat kayang mag-operate ng masyadong technical na website. Makikita nyo yung kulay ng aming contact page na neutral color lang dahil para hindi masakit sa mata at para hindi masyado maraming kulay. It adds to the minimalist of our website and that's it for our contact page. And that's it para sa aming website. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung simple naming website tungkol sa motorcycle dealership. From home, model, about, and contact. Sana may natutunan din kayo na unti sa aming HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hanggang sa susunod naming website. Thank you.
So good day. Explain ko yung contact page namin. Ako pala si I'm Kurt Axel A. Perea from 2IT2. Then group namin is all about motorcycles, mga sports, super sports, then underbone. Yan. So eto na nga. Eto yung namin. Contact page. Open natin siya sa live server. Then, wait natin. Yan, ito yung interface niya. Sa taas, merong contact us. Yan yung logo. Then, home, model, about, and contact. Ito ang contact. Pag kinilik mo siya, balik lang siya sa dito. Kasi ito yung contact page natin. So sa lahat ng ang interface, ito. Meron nan. Para siya, nababalikan mo yung mga gusto mong puntahan. Then, so, pag-usapan na natin ang contact form. So, ang contact form natin nasa right side. Ito siya. Yan. Nasa right side yung contact form. Na makapag-input ka ng text na unlabel, na may label doon na full name. Ito, full name. Makapag-input ka ng text. Then, sa ito, makapag-input ka ng email address. Ito, input mo dyan is, so drop down siya, pili ka lang dyan. Then dito, makapag-message ka sa amin and submit button. Ito ang code niya. Yan. Lahat yon required. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-skip. So, try natin. Kurt. Okay, Kurt dyan. Dito, lagyan din natin ng email. Ito, wala. Ito, lagyan natin ng message. Pabili. Submit. Nag-ano siya. Nag-show siya ng message na ano. Please select an item in the list. Because required yun. So, ayan na. Lagyan natin. Benguet Baguio. Ngayon, pwede natin siyang submit. Submit natin. Unfortunately, wala tayong database. So, walang pupuntahan yung message nyo. Downside siya ng ano kasi wala kaming database. Dito lahat naman yan required. Kahit test natin. No. Required pa din. Required. Lahat yan required. So yun na nga. Then dito naman nakikita niya yung message namin na we're here to help you. Na we're located in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. Yun ang main namin. Main or headquarters kumbaga. Ito siya. Ito, nilagay namin siya container. Yan na. Then sa baba nun, may class kami na social links. Doon sana namin ilalagay yung mga account namin sa Facebook, sa IG, sa Twitter, sa YouTube. Ito yan. Yan. Pag kinilip mo yan, pupunta yan sa mga account namin on different social media. So, ngayon, explain naman natin yung CSS niya. So, sa body, sinet lang natin siya na white yung color ng mga text. Yan. Then, content is center, then margin lang is yan, 20 pixels. Sa top lang yan. So, ito, sets the color to white, centers flex items, and if body is a flex container, and it adds a top margin of 20 pixels. Then, sa contact container yan, display niya is flex, justify content is center, then gap is 20 pixels. Ang padding niya, 100 pixels. Ito. Yan. Sa contact naman, background color is black, padding is 20 pixels. Overall, in-styles niya yung contact section with a black background, padding, rounded corners, fixed width, and a subtle shadow. Yan o, makikita nyo ba? Dark yung namin, dark yung theme. Yan. Halos lahat yan, lang. Sinecenters yung kulay black yung background. Then, ito, in-style dito sa CSS na to. Styles lang yung text inputs, then email inputs, text areas, and select with full width, padding, rounded corners, dark background, and white text. Yan na nga, makikita nyo rounded corners. Yan, black yung yan. Then, dito sa submit button, yan, width niya 100%. Yan. In-install namin yung submit button with a blue background. And, pag nag-hover ka dyan, nagda-dark siya. Yan o. Yan na nga. Submit button, yung hover na siya. Nagbablock. Then, sa help message, flex 1. Makes the help message section flexible to occupy a viable space and adds right margin for spacing. Yan. Ano lang yan. So, image radius. Yan, 20%. Nag-add siya ng rounded corners sa images, creating a circular or oval effect based on the image's aspect ratio. And yun lang. Thank you sa pakikinig. Good day. Salamat po.